It's finally official.
Today, I announce that I am running for governor of Florida.
Charlie Crist, the first Republican, then independent, now Democrat, instantly became the competitive frontrunner for Florida's top executive spot on Monday. A recent poll has Crist leading Governor Rick Scott 44% to 40%. Among independents, the split doubles. Crist is up 8. But how did we and he get here? The evolution of Charlie Crist may be best symbolized by his changes on abortion. Flashback to 1998 when, as a Republican Senate candidate, he told the St. Petersburg Times, quote, "I am pro-choice, but not pro-abortion." Sometime in the early 2000s, Crist reversed course. During his successful run for governor as a Republican in 2006, he said,
"I am somebody who respects life. I believe that being pro-life is very important. It certainly is important to me."
4 years later, Crist left the GOP and his pro-life credentials behind. Running as an independent for Senate in 2010, Crist scrubbed pro-life language from his website, but not before his Republican rival Marco Rubio screen-grabbed it. Now, here we are in 2013. Charlie Crist is running for governor as a Democrat, and he's halfway between his past two positions. "I'm pro-life, but when it comes to a woman's rights, I'm hands-off," Crist told Democrats. The back and forth hasn't gone unnoticed, especially by Rick Scott's re-election Political Action Committee.
Al Gore said, "It's a little unusual to have somebody flip-flop and then flop-flip." Who were they all talking about? This man, Charlie Crist.